from ball one. Another slower one, crunched. Does well. It'll go down as a missed opportunity, but
this is him on the shoulders, and to his, well, but might have done some damage.
The next 8 deliveries. 2 and an over from Shaheen. Whipped away leg side. Chance, is it? No, it's all the way. No, it isn't. Brilliant. Very well caught, right on the boundary. I thought he'd misjudged it for a moment.
Drop kick into the leg side, and Heather Ali, well, you always look comfortable under this. Little flick, timed well enough, but boundary's too long. Heather Ali very aware of the rope. Harris Rope has another wicket.
Fontaine is the new batsman. Victorious goes leg side. It's towards the gap. They should take 2. They will. Shaheen just losing his footing a little bit. Oh dear. Anyway. Not sure.
Turn.
Beautiful start.
The opportunity to...
That's away over third man and into the boundary for 4. A little bit of luck.
Yeah, that's the opportunity with the third man. Is 2 more.
There's no slouch with the bat. He's got some credentials, but it's hitting power that's required right now for South Africa. Slower ball, lovely.
Referee with the ball, the game.
Oh, quick, short one, I would say. They get the job done tonight. Another cracking Yorker, but he's done well. Not sure how. Shaheen's not sure either.
His third man, or rather still resisting the want to get a third man in place. Is a short third man, an outside edge. Now he's...
He gets it well out of the middle. There is a man out there. Should come back for 2. Oh, in the end, yes, I think. Fahim Ashraf. T20 International 100 was brilliant with the bat. Fahim, last over, 19 required.
Just a single, so Victorious off strike.
Long off now on the boundary. Oh, terrific. Really good Yorker. Keep Pretorius on strike with that single. 2 ones. Good start for Fahim.
But that was terrific skill.
Inexperienced.
Very happy, Captain. After that brilliant innings from Rizwan. And the Pakistan.